Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant. I'm the founder of Word Pandit and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain previous year CAT questions. Here we've got a CAT 2018 question. This is an odd one out question and you need to identify the sentence which does not fit this given set of 5 sentences. Now this is a question that you solve on the basis of subject mismatch or thematic mismatch, right? So there is one sentence which is outside the theme of the other sentences. So what we will do is we'll identify the themes of every sentence or the broad subjects of every sentence. Our smartphones can now track our diets, our biological cycles, even our digestive systems and sleep patterns. So our smartphones can track our sleep patterns. They can track a lot of things. Smartphones and sleep patterns, two things which are mentioned in sentence number 1. Researchers have even coined a new term, orthosomnia, to describe the insomnia brought on by paying too much attention to smartphones and sleep tracking apps. So sleep tracking apps, smartphones and insomnia, which is again connected to sleep, right? Lack of sleep. So not being able to sleep. So sleep, smartphones also find a reference here. Statement number 3. Sleep, nature's soft nurse, is a blissful, untroubled state, all too easily disturbed by earthly worries or a guilty conscience. The thing with sentence number 3 is, and this should immediately strike you, this is about sleep. Sleep, its nature, how it can get troubled, easily disturbed by earthly worries or a guilty conscience. The first two statements are about sleep, but they extend it a little further. Why so? They are about smartphones and sleep tracking apps, right? So there is a subtle difference between statements 1 and 2 and statement 3. We'll read the other two statements and then arrive at the final answer. The existence of a market for such apps is unsurprising. Shift work, long hours culture and blue light from screens have conspired to rob many of us of sufficient rest. Now the market for such apps, what kind of apps are we talking about? Sleep tracking apps. Statement number 5. A new threat to a good night's sleep has emerged, smartphones with sleep tracking apps. So sentence number 5, smartphones, sleep tracking apps. Sentence number 4, sleep tracking apps. Sentence number 2, smartphones, sleep tracking apps. Sentence number 1, smartphones and sleep patterns. And tracking our diet, sleep patterns, etc. etc. Tracking of our sleep patterns again leads us to what? It leads us to sleep tracking apps. We'll write it as STA. So all the 4 sentences 1, 2, 4 and 5 revolve around sleep tracking apps and smartphones. So these are the two common themes. Statement number 3 is a generic statement about sleep and how it is nature's soft nurse. It's a blissful, untroubled state and we can get easily disturbed in our sleep. You can see the difference, right? We are talking chalk and cheese here, right? 4 statements are about smartphones, sleep tracking apps, etc. etc. and 1 statement is about sleep. Completely different topic. Hence sentence number 3 is the odd one out. It is the one that does not fit this given cluster. Hopefully so you're clear with the question now. Thank you very much for watching this video and as always, happy learning.